If you want to delete your Google history, whether that means search activity, app activity, or other saved account activity, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple and safe way. This is helpful if you want to clean up your account, protect your privacy, or just remove old activity you no longer want stored. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myactivity.google.com. This is Google's official activity page, where you can view and manage the history saved to your account. Once the page loads, sign in with the Google account you want to manage. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one Google account signed in. After you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and click Delete Activity By. This option lets you remove activity based on a time range or by specific Google product. Now you'll need to choose the time range you want to delete. You can select last hour, last day, or all time, depending on how much history you want to clear. If you only want to remove recent activity, choose one of the shorter options. If you want a full reset, choose all time. Next, choose what type of activity you want to delete. You can select all products if you want to remove everything, or you can choose a specific service like Search, YouTube, Chrome, or another Google product. This is useful if you only want to delete one type of history and keep the rest. Once your time range and product selection are set, click Next. Google will show you a confirmation screen so you can review what's about to be deleted. Take a moment to make sure the correct account, time range, and product are selected before you continue. If everything looks right, click Delete. Then Google will ask you to confirm the deletion one more time. Go ahead and confirm it, and your selected Google history will be removed from your account. Depending on how much activity you selected, it may take a few moments to finish, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your Google history. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.